Control the chaos of your next scrapbook page or card by adding a vellum sticker to type or elements using a color fill layer. This video is being filmed in expert mode of Photoshop Elements, but the instructions are exactly the same for Photoshop except where noted. Sometimes, in order to maintain good design principles, a flat element may need to be turned into a sticker when it travels over a shadowed object. A vellum sticker can also help to calm the chaos between an element or type and a busy background while still allowing some of the background to peek through. In this tutorial, we will be transforming this rainbow from a flattened element into a vellum sticker that can be used on a card or scrapbook page. I'm starting here with the template DST Vellum Sticker DS file from the download folder, and I have pressed the letter D to reset the color chips to the default of black over white. However, for this tutorial, we will need white to be the foreground color, so press the letter X to get the white over black. To begin, get the Move tool, and in the Layers panel, click on the rainbow layer to activate it. Hold down the Control key, Command key on a Mac, and click on the thumbnail of the rainbow layer to get a selection outline. In the menu bar, choose Select, Modify, Expand, and in the dialog box, set the expand by number to 40 pixels and click OK. It's important to note that when creating a vellum sticker for other elements or type, you may need to adjust the expand by number depending on the word or element you are using. Choosing a smaller number will decrease the size of the vellum sticker, and a larger number will increase the size of the vellum sticker. Next, we will add a new color fill layer. In the menu bar, choose Layer, New Fill Layer, Solid Color. In the dialog box, set the color to none, the mode to normal, and the opacity to 50%, and then click OK. In the color picker, choose white and click OK. In the Layers panel, click and drag the new color fill layer below the rainbow layer. When using this technique on your own projects, you may need to adjust the opacity of the color fill layer, depending on the background of your document. A lighter background will require a lower opacity. Now we're going to add a drop shadow. In the Layers panel, the color fill layer should still be active. In the menu bar, choose Layer, Layer Style, Style Settings. Photoshop users, please refer to the manual. In the dialog box, set the lighting angle to 120 degrees. Click directly on the words Drop Shadow to open the settings. Set the size to 13, the distance to 8, the opacity to 40, and then click OK. Lastly, finish the document as desired and save it as a high-quality JPEG file with a unique name. Here's how I finished my page. I was able to maintain good design principles by adding a vellum sticker to the flat rainbow element so that I could stack it over the shadowed elements like my frames. I love how this technique can be used on flat elements like this brush stamped flower, or on a title word like this one, and on a word art element like this. The possibilities truly are endless. I can't wait to see what you come up with. For a free PDF version of this video, click on the download link and then make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. This has been Gina Harper from Digital Scrapper, the very best place on the web to find complete and professional instruction for digital scrapbooking. We help you get your stories told.